Do you know what? It's funny. People ask me all the time, does it hurt? And depending of who you ask, it is either unbearable or no big deal. So what's the real truth? Let's talk about IPL hair removal. Hello my icons! How everybody's doing today? So today we are talking about IPL hair removal. I know I kinda scare you right on the intro, right? Just a joke, just a slight joke. Most people do not avoid hair removal because they dislike smooth skin. They avoid it because of fear. Fear of the pain, fear of the burning, and fear of the irritation. That's a big one. That hesitation, it makes total sense. So if you're one of those people, you are not alone. Older hair removals had this reputation of being too intense, too harsh. But you know what? That modern IPL technology feels very different from what most people imagine. That is exactly why I have been testing the Ulike Air. And what I like about it is that approaches the hair removal from both angles. It is effective and it is very comfortable and easy to use. And by the way, someone that likes aesthetics, I think the color is beautiful. So what it is important for you to know is that this IPL device uses a cooling system. This technology, it is designed to keep the skin calmer and to not cause irritation and that burning sensation that most people are afraid of. I want you to know that IPL does not feel like burning. Most people describe it as a tiny flick, a quick snap, like a fast warming pulse. So it is not intense, it does not feel like you're gonna be dying or anything, okay? Now the real key about this, it is the duration. Milliseconds. The way it works is that devices like this delivers that light, it penetrates into the hair follicle, and the light converts into what we know heat. So it is not actually causing damage to the skin or damage to the hair follicle in essence. So do you know that some people say, oh, pain, it means that it's working? Not necessarily. Pain does not mean that it is being effective. And the reality of the matter is, if the treatment feels way too intense, people are not gonna do it. They just quit. Obviously, I can blame them because I'm one of those. I don't like to feel pain. And obviously, when you quit, that's when the results stall. So that's why it is so important that you're consistent in any treatment that you do. Remember this. Comfort supports consistency. Always. Okay, so you guys, I want to make sure that you know when you receive this at home, that you know how to actually use this product. When you're gonna turn it on, because it kind of camouflages with the purple, there is a power button on the side, very small button. You just press there and you're gonna hear this noise. Okay? So that means that it is on, and when I touch it, it feels like an ice cube. Right in here, I'm touching it. Woo! It feels really cold, does not hurt at all. It feels actually so good, oh my gosh. You know what, in summer day, when it's so hot out there, I would be using this because it feels so refreshing, amazing. So that's very cold. So, this in here, when you are going to do this, you're gonna glide it. This is the gliding mode, look at this. You see, I'm gliding over. That's what you do in your bikini area, that's when you do your legs. This type of setting. Easy. You just glide it like that. If you want to only treat one area in specific, so you press twice to get it to only work when you press this middle button in here, okay? So I have a few hairs in here on my back area, which I said that I hate. On my shoulder, I'm gonna actually treat this part in here. Now I put it on my skin, press the button, and it flashes. That's a setting when it is a targeted treatment. Only for areas that you want to get rid of. Okay, so 3 settings, very easy to use, straight to the point, with instructions for safety. Obviously, this is important because it is a bright light, so you don't want to damage your eyes, okay? And to turn it off, long press the power button, and voila, that's it. Simple, easy. The queen of jewelry here. I love jewelry. Make sure that you remove your necklaces. Right now for the demonstration, I didn't have time to remove them, so I just spin it to the back. But if you're gonna treat hairs in here, make sure that all the metals are out of your body. So don't have no jewelry at all, okay? So that ice cooling technology, what is also going to do is regulate the skin temperature while it's doing the pulses on the treatment, which in consequence helps reduce that heat sensation and improves the comfort. Now, you might be asking, so Georgie, what about waxing? Well, girl, waxing removes the hair right from the root. And the discomfort, the IPL sensation, it is way faster and not even remotely as the feeling sensation that you get with the waxing. It's not even compared at all. And the IPL, it is local, which is great because you can really target the areas that you want to treat. The box includes, obviously, it comes with a long cord. It comes with these goggles, and they're not just for the looks, even though that looks like the Carrera sunglasses in my opinion. But do not use this device without protecting your eyes. It's better to be safe than sorry. Protect your eyes and do not look straight to the light. And if you're gonna do that, make sure that you have your goggles. You can actually reach to any areas. You can do the bikini line, you can do the armpits, you can do your face. For guys that has back hair, or girls, I think everybody might suffer from that as well, but especially guys. It's great to get rid of that back hair, and if you want to get rid of your chest hair, perfectly fine too. For my girls out there, bikini, summer, it is around the corner, so it's actually a good idea to start doing those treatments now before it gets hot and warm out there, because most people are going to be in their bikinis on the beach, and then the irritation that happens with the shaving and the waxing, we just talked about that. It's not worth it. So start now doing your IPL treatment. Now, another thing that is very important to know, they send you also part of the kit. It comes with a very small razor. It comes in a case, which is great if you're traveling. You can actually take it with you, and it's like a baby razor. So the idea is to not treat the hair if your hair is too long, because it's gonna have that smell of your hair is burning. You don't want to do that. So shave first. Then you are going to actually do the laser treatment. Now here's the catch. Make sure that your skin, it is completely dry, out of lotions, out of fragrance. You don't want anything, completely bare skin. Any device, and I don't care if it's for hair removal, I don't care if it's for as an anti-aging skin treatment, or if it's even skincare. If you're not consistent and if you're not gonna commit to do the treatment, don't waste your time and money on devices like this or any other device. Again, I'm here coaching you a little bit because I get very sad when people are excited to buy these products and they want to have a change in their appearance. Perfect, you spend $400, $500, whatever it is. You use it for 1 week and then you don't use it. You're not doing yourself a favor. So as your friend, don't do that. When you have that commitment that you're gonna say, yes, I'm tired of shaving, I need a solution and I care for my appearance, then yes, this product is for you because it works. That's why they have been #1 in the beauty industry for a while. This is good technology. This is something that it works if you use it the way that you're supposed to use it and you're consistent. So if you decide to invest on this machine, I will have a discount code for you, of course, so you can actually start benefiting from the results right away. Make sure that you start now before the summer hits. And I want to hear you. I want to hear your experience with it. I want to hear how you're using it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, let me know, send me a message. So I gotta tell you, IPL does not feel the most comfortable thing in the world, but for most people it is very brief, and I'm one of those people. A little uncomfortable, that's okay. It's very brief. It's not the end of the world, and it's not bad at all. Trust me, actually a mosquito bite hurts way more. If fear of discomfort has been holding you back, understanding the sensation first, knowing the data, choosing the right device makes a real difference. If you're curious about the Ulike Air, the details are right there below. Links are gonna be right in there, discount codes are gonna be in there, and some basic information for you to know. How many times have you shaved and literally the next morning it's already back? The razor bumps, the irritation, the constant maintenance. Honestly, it is just exhausting. That's why so many people have switched to the Ulike Air 10 series. And right now, you will get with my discount code Miller2026. You can save $90. Wow, $90 off. Plus, you will get a free exclusive gift when you order. By the way, these are very limited, so hurry up. That's smoother skin, less stress, and long-term savings in one simple upgrade. This is your sign. Tap the link, grab your $90 off, get your free gift, and start feeling confident in your skin again. So if you like this video, my icons, please leave me a like there. It helps the algorithm quite a lot. Commenting, whatever you think about it. Do you like it? What has been your experience? Which other ones have you used? Or if you're, again, curious about getting this one, leave me a comment. Would love to hear from all of you. If this is your first time watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, I highly suggest that you do, because I cover things about beauty, about fashion, about lifestyle, self-improvement, and we are a safe community. We are so much fun, and if you're gay and queer, obviously this is your place as well. So my girls, my boys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Take care and have an amazing day. Happy shopping!